Hi everyone, welcome to HM Coding Studio. Today we will be starting a new series of learning Python programming language. We will start from the very basic concept of the programming language, and we'll cover the advanced concept of the Python programming language. The series will be a combination of practical projects and also cover theoretical concepts. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell notification icon so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. Okay guys, first of all we need to download and install the Python interpreter. For that we are going to our browser, writing down download Python, going to the Python website, and this will list down the latest version of the Python interpreter. Just click on it, start downloading, and this will take a minute to complete the download depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, go to the folder that you have saved your file, double click on it, and in here guys, make sure that you have ticked the add Python 3.9 to path. It will make sure that the operating system will recognize the Python interpreter, and it will ask that if you want to install the interpreter with the default options or you want to customize it. We'll select the default option, yes, and it will start installing. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation. Okay guys, the installation is completed. In order to check that the Python interpreter is installed in our PC successfully, we need to go to the CMD. In here, just write down Python and click. You will see that it will display the version of the Python that we have installed in our PC, and it will tell that the Python is successfully installed in your PC. Okay guys, now that we have installed the Python interpreter and checked that it worked fine, go to your browser and start downloading the Pycharm IDE. Just go to your browser, write down download Pycharm, go to the Pycharm website, and in here we have two options to select from. We have a professional and we have the community. The community version is free, so we will go with the community version. After clicking, it will start automatically downloading. It will take a few minutes to complete the download. Okay guys, now that the download of Pycharm is completed, you go to the folder that you have saved the file, double click on it, the setup is very simple. Just click next. It will ask for the destination folder. We will select the default one, and then it will ask that if you want to create a launcher shortcut, yes, and then it will ask about the update variable. We don't need that right now. It's simply a path that enables you to launch the Pycharm from the CMD. We don't need that right now. Just click next, and next, install, and it will start installing the Pycharm community version. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation. Okay guys, and now that the setup is completed, we'll just we can run it from here by clicking the Run Pycharm Community Edition and finish the setup, or we can launch it from the desktop. We just simply finish the setup and go to the desktop, and from here we double click on Pycharm Community Edition. It will take a few minutes to start Pycharm. Just simply say that do not import the settings. Okay guys, Pycharm IDE is completed, and this is the Pycharm IDE window. So in here we can create a new project, open an existing project. Since we have don't have any project and we have just started the Pycharm, we will create a new project, and it will ask for the location of the project and also about the project name. Just simply name the project anything that you want. you will see demo, and after that we can use the base interpreter for that, which already is the Python 3.9 that we have installed earlier, and then create, and this will start making the project. After the project is completed, and this will pop up a window about the tips of the day. We just simply say that don't show me these tips anymore. Close. It will set up the environment for us. It will take a few minutes to set up the environment. Okay, guys, we have successfully installed the Pycharm IDE in our PC. Thank you for watching.